Suspected armed militants of Kuki National Front Nahaloon shot and injured Laikot village chairman Paulal Kipgan over an alleged ransom demand last night. According to a report, the incident happened at Laikot under Saparmaina police station. Meanwhile, condemning the gun attack on village chairman, the KNF urged the authority to book the culprits and take action against them. On the joyous occasion of Christmas, Manipur Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit Singh, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar, Phongya Constituency MLA K. Laisho, Naga People's Front Manipur Unit President Awangbao Nyumai, Major General K.P. Singh, YSM, Inspector General Assam Rifles South and officials of Assam Rifles have extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Christian brethren. A new resort, Nam Riverfall Woods Resort, was inaugurated yesterday at Irang Ragailong under Kaupum subdivision of None district. Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority Adim Pamai and several residents were present at the function. A one-day winter camp for students was held today at Sanjam Chirang Government Primary School, Sanjam Kuno, under Segmai constituency. The camp was organized under the initiative of Sports Department in charge of 57th Mountain Division Lemokong Maimom Omish. Under the supervision of Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Charitable Trust, HEIROK Block Youth Congress Committee today extended a financial assistance of Rs 10,000 to one Ahung Sambam Manisang of Nongpok Sekmai, who is currently undergoing medical treatment at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat. The Sivasagar District Administration has imposed night curfew in areas along Assam-Nagaland interstate border in the district. Accordingly, night curfew under Section 144 CRPC has been reinforced from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the areas of Assam side bordering Nagaland and thereby prohibiting the movement of any person, group of persons and any vehicular traffic in the 5-kilometer belt of Assam side in Sivasagar district bordering Nagaland. An awareness-cum voluntary blood donation camp was held today at the Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenims, Porompat, Imphal. The event was organized by St. John Foundation, Imphal in association with State Blood Cell, National Health Mission Manipur, Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit Jenims and State Blood Transfusion Cell, Imphal. Consumer Club Manipur today observed National Consumer Day at Wangkai Puja Lampa Community Hall, Imphal East. The function was organized by Young Voluntary Organization Wangkai and Wangkai Durga Puja Lampak Women's Welfare Organization. THOUBAL Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles organized a security meet at THOUBAL Company Operating Base. The security forum was attended by village pradhans, ward members, councillors, members of village youth club and locals of the area. The 5th state-level Manipur Singju Festival will be held from December 28 to January 8 at Wangjing Kodompopi District Sports Ground under the aegis of Singju Yokotpalu. A team of Manipur Kung Fu players left Imphal for Maharashtra today. The team will be participating in the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019 to be held at Sai Baba Sekadham Kanhe Pathap, Maharashtra under Kung Fu Sports Association of Maharashtra from December 28 to 30. World Cup winning India star MS Dhoni has been named the captain of the ODI team of the decade compiled by Cricket Australia. 3 Indians are part of the 11-man team, which includes some of the best one-day players of the 2010s.